Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Ease of Access because that centralizes display settings. Press Windows key plus U to jump there fast. Once open, select High Contrast on the left so you see the specific contrast controls. Now toggle Use High Contrast to On to enable the feature. Doing this immediately shows the effect system-wide. Make sure to pause and confirm the screen changed, since this confirms Windows applied the accessibility override and prevents unnecessary further adjustments. Once High Contrast is enabled, choose a preset theme from the High Contrast theme dropdown so you have a base palette to refine. You then click each color box to set text, background, links, and buttons. This controls legibility and emphasis. After you change colors, use the preview area and click Apply to test how apps and menus behave. If something looks off, adjust individual colors rather than switching themes, because fine-tuning keeps readability consistent across programs. To finish, save your final color choices and close settings. This makes the theme persist across sessions. If an app still renders oddly, try restarting that app or sign out and back in, since some programs only read theme settings at launch. If problems persist, reset the theme to None to revert quickly and then reapply a different high contrast scheme. One key troubleshooting tip: update graphics drivers if contrast features behave inconsistently, because driver issues can interfere with system-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.